Hey guys, today I'm going to introduce you to a new and powerful tool for creating images, videos, photos, and documents that you can use for various purposes. It is an all-in-one design platform that is equipped with AI, making graphic design a very easy task for you. So if you are struggling to make great designs for your social media posts, short-form videos, marketing designs, or even documents like resume, then this is definitely for you. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go ahead and check it out. So once you open your browser, I want you to type adobe.com/express. And once you're in the website, I want you to click sign in or sign up if you don't have an account. So this time I already have an account, so I'm going to click sign in. And there you go. You are now in the page. So once you are here, you have different options. You can either click social media. This is for majority of social media posts. We also have video, we have photo, and we have document. So this is our scenario. Say for example that you are a student and you are tasked to create a movie or a trailer, say for example. You will also be asked to create a poster. So for today, we are going to try to create a poster for a movie that we have created or for a trailer that we have created. So in that case, I'm going to click photo, and then I'm going to click next. So let's say phone wallpaper. So I'm going to click create from scratch. Okay. And now that we are here, we are then going to proceed. So now we are going to create a poster for our trailer, and I want to show you something that is unique with this platform. So I'm going to click back. All right, and you see text to image. Basically, you can type there and the AI will generate an image for you. So I'm going to click this one and then I'm going to click portrait. So I'm going to type here dystopian world during the pandemic. Okay, something like that. And then I'm going to hit enter. So AI now is trying to come up with a picture using the words that you have written here. So as you can see, AI has managed to create and generate images based on what you have written there. So now I'm going to try to check to see which one would be appropriate for the poster that I'm going to create. So let's try to choose from these. Okay, I'm just going to settle for the first one. And then we're going to try to create another image because as you can see here, there's something that has to be filled in. So we are going to create widescreen and then we are going to type dystopian world background and then see what AI can give for us. So we are going to try to choose which one would be appropriate to pair with this one. Okay, so let's try to see this. Okay, now that it's chosen, let's try to put it here. All right, now it's done. I'm going to put characters. So I'm going to click widescreen. And then I'm going to put two boys, one girl looking up in the sky, dark background. Okay, so we have now generated about four pictures. This is one, it's first one, so I'm going to put it down here. Let's try to resize it. All right, and then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to click back, and then I have the option to remove the background of these. So I'm going to remove the background. Okay, now that the background has been removed, so I'm going to enlarge it. Okay, there you go. Now, next thing that we are going to do is we are going to add a text. Again, this is a movie. So for a movie poster, we are going to put our title. Okay, so the title that I'm going to choose is, so let's see let's try to imagine that that's a title that I've chosen. And then you can also have the recommended texts here. Let's try to check. Okay, how about this one? Okay, so we're going to go with that. And then let's resize that one. So what we are going to do is change the color. Okay, let's click it back. And then let's white. Okay, and then we are also going to resize it. Okay, and then you can see the text is not that clear, so I'm going to click shadow. So I think using strong would be better for me. So I'm going to custom, I'm going to change the color into black. Right. Okay, there you go. Okay, so let's try to see it again one more time. Zoom to fit all. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have created a poster for our project. Okay, now that we are done with the image, what we are going to do is we can try to download this. So you have there different options, and then I'm going to hit download, and there you have it. Wow, that's amazing. So we have created a poster for our trailer, for our movie. That's amazing, man. Now, what you're waiting for, guys, go ahead and try this platform. It's again adobe.com/express.